How to change theme to light mode on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme to light mode on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this 3 points in the top corner and then click settings and here you will find this one chats. Here click on it and then just click theme and select light and then click this one. Okay, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. As you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.